Top 10 Healthiest Sea Foods.
Number 10. Clams.
Nutrition.
Contains calories, protein, fats, omega-3 fatty acids, iron.
Health benefit.
For building and repairing muscles and tissue. Helps you better absorb the iron.
Number 9. Cod.
Cod is the common name for the genus Gatus of demersal fishes, belonging to the family Godidae. Cod is also used as part of the common name for a number of other fish species, and some species suggested to belong to genus Gatus are not called cod.
Nutrition.
Very low in saturated fat, good source of niacin, vitamin B12 and potassium. Good source of protein, vitamin B6, phosphorus.
Health benefit.
Decreased risks of heart attack. Lower the risk of developing skin cancer. Improving the functioning of the human heart muscles. Reduce breast and prostate cancer.
Number 8. Crab.
Plain steamed crab meat is one of the healthiest foods you can eat. For a minimal amount of calories, you get lots of protein, a multitude of minerals and several B vitamins.
Nutrition.
Low in saturated fat. Good source of vitamin C, riboflavin, iron, magnesium and phosphorus. Good source of protein, zinc, copper. Rich in minerals like selenium.
Health benefit.
Lower risk of heart disease, heart attack and stroke. Reduce your risk of cardiovascular disease. Preventing damage to cells and tissues.
Number 7. Catfish.
Farm-raised domestic catfish has been one of the top 10 most frequently consumed seafood products in the U.S. for almost 20 years.
Nutrition.
Moderately fat. Good source of high-quality protein. Low in calories and fat. Low in sodium. Source of thiamine, potassium and selenium.
Health benefit.
Low levels of heart disease. Help to prevent rheumatoid arthritis. Help to keep the eyes bright and healthy. Can help to protect us from cancer. Help to protect our lungs.
Number 6. Pangasius.
Pangasius is a genus of medium-large to very large shark catfishes native to fresh water in South and Southeast Asia.
Nutrition.
Low to moderate fat content. High levels of protein. A source of omega-3. Low in saturated fat. Low cholesterol.
Health benefit.
Increase body energy level. Stable the level of fat. Fits every cuisine.
Number 5. Tilapia.
Tilapia is the most consumed fish in America. Increasingly, this fish is grown in China, and bad farming practices, some experts argue, are causing the food to suffer. But industry and watchdog leaders are now changing those practices, working hard to make this easy to raise fish safer and healthier to eat.
Nutrition.
Small amount of unsaturated fat. Considerable amount of cholesterol. Tilapia is rich in protein, significant amounts of protein, omega-3 fatty acids.
Health benefit.
Reduce your caloric intake. Trying to lose weight. Prevents prostate cancer. Boosting brain. Increasing neurological function.
Number 4. Alaska pollock.
Alaska pollock. The wild fishery for Alaska pollock, also known as walleye pollock, is the largest by volume in the United States and is also one of the largest in the world. Alaska pollock is a different species than the pollock found on the Atlantic coast, and it is the most common type of pollock in U.S. markets.
Nutrition.
Excellent source of protein, excellent amounts of amino acids. Good source of phosphorus and selenium. An excellent source of protein and minerals.
Health benefit.
Lower risk of heart disease. Helps to prevent cancer. Lower risk of stroke. Boosting immune system. Reduce diabetes.
Number 3. Salmon.
Salmon is a species of fish which is found both in fresh water and saline water, depending on the stage of its development. The scientific name of the salmon family is Oncorhynchus, which is followed by other suffixes depending upon the variety, such as cherry salmon or pink salmon.
Nutrition.
Contains vitamin B12, B3, B6, vitamin D, selenium, omega-3 fatty acids, protein, phosphorus, iodine, choline, biotin, potassium.
Health benefit.
Reduces risk of depression. Increases your cardiovascular health, help prevent cell damage. Lower risk of heart attack.
Number 2. Tuna.
Tuna are wild animals, but many people simply understand them as food. Using the shorthand tuna can be a bit confusing, as it tends to cover a whole family of species.
Nutrition.
Tuna are wild animals, but many people simply understand them as food. Using the shorthand tuna can be a bit confusing, as it tends to cover a whole family of species.
Health benefit.
Reduce blood pressure. Helps to strengthen cell membranes. Boosts immune system and energy levels. Risk of colon and kidney cancer. Protects skin and kidneys against infections.
Number 1. Shrimp.
Shrimp and prawn are important types of seafood that are consumed worldwide. Although shrimp and prawns belong to different suborders of Decapoda, they are very similar in appearance and the terms are often used interchangeably in commercial farming and wild fisheries. Low in calories. Rich protein. Low in fat. Good source of antioxidants. Contains vitamin B12, copper and iodine. Lowered risk of cardiovascular disease. Cancer preventative. Relieving eye fatigue. Relief from menstrual pain. Take seafoods regularly for healthy life. Subscribe for more videos about healthy foods. Like, comment and share.